Hello everyone, I'm talking about the gun challenge, and the gun is called the RC gun, and I'm gonna try to shoot that ball, and I have 5 chances to shoot that ball, and let's see if we shoot it. Guys, I am. What? It just fall down, and we are trying again, guys. Let's see if I could do it. I didn't. It went like beside it. I have 4 more chances to do it, and let's do it, guys. What the heck? Guys, it just went here. Just hit it here. Hit it here. It was insane. No, I have just 3 more shoots. I need to do this. If I don't, I failed. It's insane, guys. Don't believe this. And again, I will shoot it. Come on, guys. Oh my gosh. It went just here. Here. I have 1 more chance to do it. If I didn't, I failed. Okay, here's the last chance. Okay. Guys, I'll just do 1 more chance. Okay. I'll just do 1 more chance and I'll go to another challenge. I just shoot it. It went here. The next challenge is that I need to throw it inside this tape. Stop going. Yeah, and I'll put the ball here so it can't go here and just fall down here, and we're doing it. I need to shoot inside this tape. Let's do it. The ball challenge, I had 6 chances. Even this time I will have 6 chances. I shoot it here, and it falls down. I have just 5 more chances, guys, to do this challenge. Okay, guys, I think this ball doesn't let the bullet go in. You know why? Because I think I shoot it and it touched the ball and it came back. I have 4 more chances. Here you go. Okay, I didn't. Look. How did it stop? And the edge of the table. Again, I'm gonna put this inside and do this. And here, I'm gonna put it again. And let's do it. I'm sorry. I'll just be like this. Here you go. Two more times just to do this challenge. Guys,